everyone. I'm Stacie Spradlin, and I'm here representing AQS this week for Quilt Week. I'm one of the instructors here this week in the Longarm room, and we're having a lot of fun. I wanted to share with you a little bit of just one single tip that might help you in your Longarm journey, whether you're new to Longarm quilting or you're a professional in quilting for others. The first thing that you need to do once you get this machine at home, and you might feel a little bit intimidated, is don't. Just have fun, learn your machine, and practice and practice and practice. The more we really draw our designs and we practice and get to know the machine, the better our quilts will turn out, and the more fun we'll have in our actual journey with Longarm quilting. So when we talk about feathers and everything else and we change directions, it's really helpful to kind of give a pause anytime we change direction, and that'll really help make our points a lot crisper. But I want to show you what I'm talking about here. So I turn on the machine. Even when I do a little feather swirl, here I'm going to pause when I change direction. A pause, a pause. I'm going to pause. And it really helps make these points a lot crisper. And even when I echo something, I can come in and give a nice pause and change direction. But a simple tip like that can really make a huge change and a huge impact on the way your final quilt looks. I hope you enjoy, and we're having a great time at Quilt Week. Hope you can join us sometime soon.